In this video, we are going to build a movie recommendation system using Python. We will use a small data sets and a concept called a collaborative filtering. So let's get started. We begin by importing Pandas for handling tabular data and cosine similarity from Scikit-learn to calculate how similar users are based on their ratings. Here is the pt dot data frame. Here we define a small data set manually. Each row represents a user's rating for a specific movie. For example, user 1 gave Avengers a rating of 5. And then step 3, next we convert the data into a matrix where each row is user, each column is a movie, and each cell shows the user's rating for that movie. We replace missing values with 0. It's easy to understand, no complications there. And now compute similarity between users using the cosine similarity. This gives us a matrix where each value tells how similar two users are based on how they rated movies. The higher the value close to 1, the more similar two users are. And the recommendation movies, there's a main logic. We pick the most similar users and use their ratings to calculate the better average score for each movie. Then we exclude the movies the current users has already rated. We don't want to recommend what they have already seen. Finally, we return the top 3 movies in recommendations. And then recommend movies for user 1 based on similar users performance. The system suggests a movie that users 1 hasn't rated it but is likely to enjoy. And that's it. You have built a basic recommendation system using collaborative filtering. This is the same logic Netflix or Amazon users, just on a much larger scale. You can expand these projects by using real datasets like movie links, or even try content based filtering. And here's the code. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cool AI projects.